Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this was unexpected. We have been discussing about bullishness of gold to be on the buy side if we are swing trader, positional trader, but a high of 2480 was insane. Couple of days ago I told you guys that I have a sell limit at 2450 when gold was trading around 2420, I guess. Okay, but yesterday, okay, when gold was extremely bullish, okay, I did not remove my sell limit completely. So earlier I had a lot size of 1.2, but still, okay, I want to take the sell, so I went for a lot size of 0.2, and market was so bullish my SL was hit. But and when I saw that market is extremely under the dominance of buyers, again I took a buy. I exited around 2462 because I was not expecting 2480. In the morning when I saw the market has made a high of 2481, okay, I was shocked. Okay, and really this was unexpected. Yesterday, I received many messages, emails also, that those who were holding sell position, I believe that you have exited, and those who have not exited, those who are still holding your sell position on gold, you must be careful, because at this moment we don't know whether market will come for proper retracement or not. Because I received around 10 to 12 emails and messages where people have told me that they are holding sell position from 2370 2390 area, and right now market is trading 1000 pips away, 1000. Okay, so chances of market coming down to 2370 2380 is very less. Nobody can predict right now. We need a huge fundamental reason for a complete trend reversal, which we don't have now, and there's a high chance that market will be heading towards 2500 as of now. After 2500, what will happen, I don't know. Okay, because if you read the articles, if you listen to experts, you will also see that everyone was predicting gold to be around 2500 by the end of the year, but we can see that in the month of July gold is about to hit 2500. And this is why market is full of surprises. Okay, anyways, I also know many people, okay, who were holding buy position on gold and they are extremely happy. So if you have any buy on gold right now as a swing trade or positional trade, okay, you can be on the buy, because sky seems to be the limit of gold right now. And if you're having a sell on gold, my dear friends, try to exit with loss, because if you do not exit at the right time, there's a high chance that you will lose your full capital. There is no sign of retracement. If you go to economic calendar also, you'll see that we do not have any big news that will bring a drop of 400 500 pips on the chart of gold. No guarantee as of now. Anything may happen. Okay. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then we are back to the same strategy, which is buy at support. Okay, buy at support, not sell at resistance, because in this type of market situation, the selling at previous high is very dangerous. Okay, so buy at support and or buy at dip is the best trading strategy here. But the problem is the market is so bullish, the opportunities are far away. For example, you can see the 200 moving average is trading at 2392, the 100 moving average 2417, the 50 moving average is trading at 2434. Okay, all the moving averages are far away, which are the dynamic support. And if we try to draw FIBO, then you won't get any immediate FIBO level. You can see the next FIBO level is around 2450. Okay, I know because I have drawn it already. You see, 2451. Okay, so around 2450 we have the next FIBO level, which is FIBO 0.236. So in this market situation, okay, buy a dip is the best trading strategy, because our risk to reward ratio at least will be in our favor. And as market has already gone up sharply, okay, no sign of reversal yet, but still, okay, at once market may drop big time. Okay, so do not go for a huge risk. Okay, follow proper risk management. And right now it seems that the best level to go for buy is around 2450. Okay, 2450, and the second level is 2431. Okay, 2450, 2431. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy at support or buy at retracement. Okay, I was probably you saw that I had a blue line here. I was hoping for the previous resistance to work as support around this area, but I can see right now that the red candle is big enough. Okay, so this level may not work. So let's look for a proper level at a better level. Okay, proper level, better. Okay, so 2451 or 2450 is also a round number, and it was the previous resistance. So definitely we can expect this level to provide support to the market. So during the day, if we see the market is trying to take support around this area, then obviously we can look for a buy position. And if market surprises everyone, if you see that market is standing at 2450 with a big red candle, avoid it. Wait for the market to come down to the next support, which is around 2430, 2431 level. But try to avoid any sell position. If you're thinking that market has made the top and I can go for a sell right now, that's up to you, but it's high risk. Because if you don't want to follow me, that's all right. But if you respect Warren Buffett, then Warren Buffett has told many times in his interviews that no human being can predict the top and bottom of the market. So right now we don't know whether this is the top of the market or not. So taking a sell in this market is high risk. So if you want to go for it from your experience, that's up to you. But in this situation, 2450, 2431 seems to be logical levels where we can look for a buy position. Do not look for levels to work precisely. These levels work as zones in the market. For example, 245. It can also be 2451 or it can be also 2449, 2448. Once you'll see the market is taking support around the area, then only hit the buy button. Similarly, around 2430, 2428 also. Okay, this whole area will be working as support. So, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we cannot help it. Okay, then in that case, you can look for buy at breakout above 2483. So suddenly, if you see the market starts going up again, okay, then you can look for a buy above 2483. But again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, buy at breakout is riskier in comparison to buy at retracement. So please follow proper risk management. If you go for a lot size of 0.5 usually, then this time go with a lot size of 0.1 or 0.2. And the next resistance, nobody knows where is the next resistance because this is the high right now. The next resistance may be around 2500, because if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold hits all-time high. Gold increased to an all-time high of 2478 over the past 4 weeks. Gold gained 6.36% in the last 12 months. Gold hits new record high on dovish Fed view. Gold rose above 2470 per ounce on Wednesday, reaching a record high driven by increased optimism that the Federal Reserve will lower rates as early as September. This is the market sentiment. And right now we don't have any other fundamental factor also that will bring a trend reversal. So as long as this market sentiment will be dominating the market, okay, gold will be bullish. At least gold will be sideways or gold will be in consolidation. At least not a big sell-off. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful.